Hey guys, welcome to Dude Let's Draw. I'm your host, Jen Yoko. Today we're going to be making some Pokemon coasters out of wood and resin. Stay tuned and let's get started. Let's draw. Alright, my friend sent me some Pokemon cards that are bootleg. Like, real bootleg. And when I mean bootleg, misspellings, water damage, all that stuff. And I thought to myself, why waste it? Why throw them out? Let's make something fun with it. So I already started cutting up some of the cards, and I'm going to place them accordingly in these little coasters. And I'm gonna put the resin in. Let's start it. As you can see here, the variety of Pokemon cards varies in terms of craptabularness. When I mean craptabular, ooh, this one's seen some stuff, and this one seems to fit in there. So let's put some sprinkles and get Squirtle in there, Wartortle, get out of here, Grandma, and see what happens. I also have this wrapper from the Team Rocket line back in the day, just hanging out. But yeah, I got quite a few. Let's see what works. Before I even start this journey, I'm using a resin pour from Five Below, if you could believe it or not. It is $5. It's a sparkly, warkly resin pour. I don't know the quality of resin. However, we're just gonna give it a try. Let's see what happens. Okay, I opened it up. We seem to have glitter in here. We got the tiny little sippy cup, the hardener, and oh dear, oh no, did this open? The premium resin. Oh no, I gotta wash my hands! Look at this box. Oh god! Look at y'all. The box looks like it's got big resin porridge going on. Look at this. It says they're close together, right? As soon as you open the box, look at this! I mean, I guess this is what you get for Five Below. We don't get this, okay? So just be forewarned and wear gloves. Obviously, this is cheap. I had to wash my hands right away because it exploded. This is already great. Oh, it's leaking! No! Okay, let me see the other resin kit. This is the other one. I bought two, just in case if there was not enough resin for each little coaster, okay? Let's check this out. And it's another bust. Although this one contains little jewels. This one has like little jewels in it. I'm gonna keep my gloves on. Oh, this one looks like it didn't explode. This one looks like it's clean, so I might use that one instead. You know, who knows? But it gives you this really flimsy piece of wood right here. How are you supposed to do this, yo? Like, where are the directions? Okay, here are the directions. You put a little plastic thing down? What's going on? They don't even define this. So, yeah. Eight is 8 and up. Y'all are trifling. Y'all are trifling. I can't. All right, as you can see here, I have all these bootleg Pokemon cards. Like, I don't know how. Like, back in the 90s, there would just be so many. I don't know if there are any now. This one is like off-printed pretty badly. Like, if you really look at it, it is just not crisp. It's grody looking. This one's even worse. So let's see what we have here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cutting some of them out. What I'm gonna do is start cutting some of them out and then place them in one of these. So let's start. Star you? No, it's star me. Before I set up the resin, I'd like to pose these guys. I really like Vulpix. Come on, now is the Vulpix. And maybe have this at the top. Maybe some glitter. Oh, I love the little candies. I might put the candies all around it. Or, for the second one, have them all smashed together. Just in a ridiculous pile that, you know, it's for me. And it'll just be fun looking at all of the Chip Away Pokemon. Now I know not to pour the resin first, little by little. So let's see. Maybe this might do. I actually kind of like that. So I'm gonna think out and plan the other ones a little more methodically, and I'll get back. Okay, the directions say for every 1 cup of hardener, you need 2 cups of resin, and then it was saying don't put too much resin. So I'm just gonna do my best here, and I'll be back. Okay, it looks like I got a lot of it covered. It said it hardens within 30 minutes, and I've never really used resin before, let alone cheap resin, so let's see how this plays out, shall we? I'm gonna put a little less flickers of gold. We got coaster 1 done. Let's go to the next one. All right, resin pour number 2. All right, everyone, it's day 2, and I had to let the coasters cure for at least a day. It said 30 minutes, but let's see the results. All right, it looks like this one here looks phenomenal. Everything looks like it's cured and is hard. That's so cool. I got a little resin on the back, but it looks really neat. I like this one. Unfortunately, when I went to do this one, this was the first one, it's still a little gummy in some parts. I must not have put enough hardener on this batch. And this one is a hot mess. But it was a learning experience. I thought that all 3 of these came out all right, and it was fun. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in seeing more stuff, check in the description below. Like and subscribe and say, dude, let's draw, or dude, I subscribed in the comments. Anyway, I wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.